Guys, kwina bathi njeru in the political scene. Na thaa ici tutingihota ku assume a bathi ino. Last week nikurari na empowerment forum, but a very different empowerment forum ya MPs aria matari allied to KK. Na irari ya constituency ne ya mubunge ugwitwo Caleb Amisi. Empowerment ineyo guest of honor yari Edwin Sifuna, assistant guest of honor yari Gathoni Wamuchomba. Na guikorwo na speculations hari ati they are crafting a political bus that will drive them to the negotiation table towards 2027 elections. And tukiona ginya headlines hari gazetini. Now today turekia kuona mushamanio ura comprise of Gathoni Wamuchomba, Senator Edwin Sifuna, MP Caleb Amisi and MP Babu Owino. Aya ni andu aria othe tukirora politically they have not been aligning themselves to any side. Na they have been free minds. Na kurigana uria kuhana ni ati these guys they are planning something. Edwin Sifuna ni Secretary General wa ODM, na of course agikona kora toge fuatira siasa umekuwa ukijua Kenya imekuwa ikihappen na kuratuika ati he is on his way out of ODM. Caleb Amisi the same. Nyakoretwo akiuga ati nyakoretwo akiaria against the broad based whatever na against Raila Amolo Odinga. Babu Owino the same. Babu Owino in fact anenda kurugama agitikia governor wa Nairobi, but this time without Baba's support, because Baba right now ara support Sakaja in favor of the broad based. So how? And lastly, Gathoni Wamuchomba. Gathoni Wamuchomba koretwo very controversial. Sometimes speculations shikauga mwena wa thirikari, rĩngĩ tukamuona mwena wa DCP, rĩngĩ tukamuona na Matiang'i, rĩngĩ tukamuona kuria na Edwin Sifuna. She is a free mind, no juge oguo. Na this is sending shockwaves to the KK people. Right now, anything that is bringing votes or the urarehe kura from William Ruto's basket out and from Raila Odinga's basket out, odosho urahe William Ruto stress nene muno, especially in a case like this one where Edwin Sifuna is the Secretary General of ODM. Kiama kiria William Ruto thaici anyitiriire o yati gike igirekereria ni uguo ni kwa runda. So guys, what is in store? What is in store? Politics is a game of numbers, na thaa ici niguo kadi cirathakwo. Na next year ndo tutaanza kuona now real formations KK. But I would advise ODM mumenyage wega. Edwin Sifuna is on his way out, and Edwin Sifuna has a very big future in politics. Manyitana na Babu Owino, manyitana na Gathoni Wamuchomba na Caleb Amisi. Those are 3 ODM people and 1 UDA person. If that will not be a political shocker to the broad-based, then ndio kiuniki. Anyway guys, macio no maoni makwa. Ndio maoni maku megie uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.